If you think cheat meals ruin your progress, the science might shock you. Hey, welcome back to Flip Fit Yourself. Today we're breaking down the real truth about cheat meals, what they actually do inside your body, and how to use them to burn more fat instead of gaining it. When you diet for too long, your body adapts. Your metabolism slows, hunger hormones spike, and fat loss stalls. A properly planned cheat meal can boost leptin refill glycogen for better workouts, reset mental motivation. But here's the mistake. Most people don't do a cheat meal. They do a cheat day, and that can erase an entire week of progress. One controlled meal works. An uncontrolled day destroys consistency. The smartest approach: heavy check mark 1 cheat meal per week, heavy check mark after your hardest workout, heavy check mark high carb, moderate fat, high protein, heavy check mark no guilt, then straight back on track. When done right, cheat meals don't slow fat loss, they accelerate it. Like and subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself for more real fat loss science. I'll see you in the next video.